Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs, but the real question is AutoCAD next? AI is already designing houses, generating plans, and automating drawings. So, should you still spend time learning AutoCAD in 2026? Let me show you the truth. No hype, no fear. So, the first question is what AI can do right now. So, here are some websites which are using for AI floor plan generators, AI render tools, AI text to design tools. AI is fast, but speed is not accuracy. So the second question is why AutoCAD is not going anywhere. AutoCAD is uses in construction drawings and construction drawings need precision. Government approvals need AutoCAD drawings. AI still needs human correction as you know and the professionals demand control. AI assists designers, it does not replace AutoCAD. The third question is AutoCAD plus AI is equal to future. As you know that AI is just for concept and AutoCAD for execution, AI for speed and AutoCAD for accuracy. The smartest architects don't fight AI, they just use it with AutoCAD. The fourth question is what you should learn in 2026. AutoCAD fundamentals must drafting standards, speed techniques, and basic AI awareness. If you master in AutoCAD today, AI becomes your assistant, not your anything. If you want to stay relevant as a designer, start with the AutoCAD with the right way. I'll be sharing practical AutoCAD skills every week. Stay connected to us.